Hello beautiful person there, and welcome to my channel. My name is Naika if you're new here, and if you're coming back, well, welcome back. In today's video we're just gonna do some traditional Koroba hairstyle. It took me so long to find out the name for this actual hairstyle. I thought it was just like spiral braids, and I was like, I'm trying to go off of something off of there until I saw this person on Instagram post the actual name of this hairstyle, and I was so grateful. So today we're gonna attempt it, and I don't know, I have audacity. I feel like I can do any hairstyle I put my mind to, so let's see how I finesse this. Alrighty, so we don't want wet, we want hydrated, we want moisturized, but we do not want water, because obviously I'm not gonna blow dry my hair personally. You can if you would like to. Oh my god, that was like some Final Destination stuff right there. Okay, yes, just getting all of that. I use this Mielle leave-in conditioner. It's mango and tulsi, and it smells heavenly, and the packaging is just so absolutely beautiful. Alrighty, so I've detangled my hair, and I'm just gonna go and start making the parts. I just like to have my parts pre-made, that way I don't have to like worry about it later or stress, or you know, just think about it. It just makes the process much smoother, and it just goes better. So let's get to it. Take a free part approach, that way I don't have to make it all neat and perfect, because I don't have a place to set up my mirror in my bedroom, and I don't want to film this in the bathroom. So we're just gonna free part, make beautiful crisp free parts, and yeah, let's see how it turns out. I think that would be the perfect hairstyle to do free parts.
Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. Hey. Taking just to be and live my life. Don't take it personal. We just building. It's my season, lay foundation, make a name for generations. Please and make it, then take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. Hey, hey. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning, or look like you always be working, soaking the moments you live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, 'cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. I'm in a place serene and pure and free. Hey, I ain't worried about what's the wave, only worry about me. Yeah. Oh, I'm taking time out to be and live my life off screen.
Want me to get ratchet, niggas want me to attack it. Put the hood on, all they calling me Cassius. Punch you like Bob Saget, greedy, I can't pass it. And everything to get no fasting. I don't care how much you knew me in the past tense. I ain't no Julian style, this ain't no last dance. Way past it, way. Fucking on my ex cause he validate me. Fucking up a check, I don't wanna receipt. I ain't get possessed, let my spirit speak freely. Hey, my past can't escape me. My pussy precedes me. Why my how the time change? I'm still playing the victim and you still playing the pick me. It's so embarrassing, all of the things I need living inside of me. I can see that be your words, never say that. I don't want pipe down, rather get paid back. Mama told me never sit where you lay at. I don't want righteousness, I hurt too much, I lost too much, I lost too much. I hit my nothing wrong. For a day, pop out the tone. I like when you put your gun at the red light.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away from these beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an episode how we play. Sit right next to you.
I actually had to do my little celebratory dance because I'm like, let's be so for real. I'm actually finally down to the last 2 braids, and let me just say, we're celebrating, honey. We are celebrating. So I'm just gonna, I already cut the length that I want for the extra braid, and I'm just gonna basically roll up the front one. Same thing, just measure with the other side, and whatever length you want to, you know, do it however you want it to fall. And I honestly like the silhouette right now. It's so cute. I was gonna say shape, but it doesn't really give shape. It gives silhouette. You know, she classy. She's a little classy. You know, she's a little too classy for shape. She's a silhouette. But yeah, I'm excited. I'm almost done. And this is actually not the last of the hairstyle. I very much plan on adding some bling to this hair because it's me. I don't do no bling. That's not in my vocabulary. You understand me? We don't do that around here. We like extra. We like decoration. We like decor. We like, you know what I mean? We like to give life a little bit of spice. We like to give life a little bit of pretty. And I really am afraid this is gonna die, so I'm actually gonna roll this off camera, and then from there I can just kind of like am I gonna do the beats tonight? I don't know yet. We'll see. We'll talk again. I'll be back. Okay, period. All right. Okay, this is the final look for tonight, at least. I just decided to add some beats to these, did this little loop, added some butterflies. I actually don't like the butterflies. I really want something darker, but this is very ethereal kind of vibe, but it's cute, so it will do. I'm not gonna go to sleep like this, but you get the vision. Do you get the vision?